Hi guys, this is the new Birchbox for October 2016, and this is what the box looks like. It's a really nice box, very colorful and nice. I have removed the items from the box. This is what came in the box, and it says our aim this month takes a breather and slows way down, thinking, masking while movie, marathon, or using the night cream before getting a full night's rest. No matter how you love to unwind, we bring you rejuvenating products to make the most of your time. Naps and cozy blankets strongly encourage XOXO, and it says Birchbox. And that's what it says. And these are the items that came in the box. The first item up is Juice Beauty, and it's a cleansing milk. Full size is $22, and it smells really good. The next item up is Marcelle Xtension Plus Curl Mascara, full size, $14. And I'm going to open it up just to show you. It has like a little curve for the eyelashes. Really nice. And it's supposed to make the eyelashes really full. The next item up is the number 4. And it's a super comb prep and protect, full size, $32. And this is what it looks like. The next item up is the Organic Pharmacy Double Rose Rejuvenating Face Cream. Full size is $88. And this is a really small size, and it's in a rose smell. I don't really like rose smell, but I know a lot of people do. And the next thing I received, and the last, is TokyoMilk Dark Pretty Rotten Perfume. And this is what it looks like. And I'm opening it up. This is how it looks, and it's in a spray, so it's really nice. And these are the five samples that I have received from the Birchbox for October 2016. And if you want to join it, it's Birchbox. It's $10 a month to receive, and you receive 5 items, and they'll either pick out the products for you, or they'll let you pick one. And I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.